Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about the day separator on Tradingview. We will explain what it is, how to enable it, and why it is very useful for day traders and for end-of-day strategies. A day separator in a trading chart is a vertical line tool that divides intraday charts into daily sessions. This helps us improve our analysis of daily price movements and patterns. It lets us see the difference between trading days, spot session opens, and follow daily trends on lower time frames. If you want a cleaner chart and a better view of daily price action, this tool can help a lot. Let's jump into the tutorial. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com. Once we are on the main page, we log into our account. After logging in, we go to Products. Under Products, we click Supercharts. Supercharts is the main page of the trading system. Let's click this one. This is where the market happens. This is where we can see all the activities. To see the day separators, we just need to right-click anywhere on the graph. At the bottom, we see Settings. Click Settings. Here, we see Symbols, Status Lines, Scales, Canvas, Alerts, and Events. Click Events. On the right part of the Events, we see Earning Breaks. This is our day separator. Just check this and then click OK. Now we can see some broken lines. That's our day separator. Next, we can change the chart to days or hours so we can see the scale better. As you can see, those are our day separators now. The purpose of these day separators is to clearly separate daily price actions on the chart, so we do not get confused. It can also help with pattern recognition. It helps us spot daily trading patterns, highs and lows, and opening ranges. We can also adjust it to match broker times or time zones, and we can include labels for the day of the week. It helps us quickly see how price moves during a specific session, like Asian, London, or New York sessions. And that's how we use the day separator on TradingView to clearly mark each trading session. This simple tool can really help us analyze daily price action and improve our understanding of the market structure.